Good morning, students, and today we have a couple new kids coming. A couple of them are going to be flying, and a couple of them are just going to walk in.
No kidding. One of the student of the day is like a new student.
Don't be mean to the new student.
Okay, and what is her name?
Would you like to say your name? My name is... Wait.
Sure.
Good morning.
Splash.
I thought you restarted the video.
Stars.
Okay. Splash Stars?
I saw you English. I've been watching your high school series, and it's supposed to be English. Hey, I'm a fourth wall breaker.
Sorry.
Oh my god. Okay. Hey, sis. Hi. Oh my gosh, what happened to your voice?
Sorry.
Okay, it's back to normal. Okay, when did the new students come in?
They're coming right now. The ones that are flying are coming in about right now.
Oh my gosh, that almost hit me. Hello. You nincompoop. You little nincompoop. I hate you so much. Now where are the other ponies? Are they gonna come flying?
They're coming right now.
Ding, 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 ding. Oh my god, she's so hot. She looks familiar. Hello. Ow.
Why don't I get the eyes?
Hi, Mrs. Cake.
Oh, hi.
Nice seeing you at school. I love your baked goods.
Thanks. I just wanted to get a job again.
As a student?
Well, yeah, but I wanted another part-time job, so I'm here. Oh,
Okay.
at school.
Wait. You guys look familiar.
Are you?
Oh my god, Pinkie Pie. Madison? I'm your sister, Twinkle Shine.
I missed you.
I missed you too. We have another sister. Oh my god.
Yeah, before Mom died, she never told us, but she told me.
Oh wow. Looks like the Pie family got bigger.
This is really dramatic.
I know. I like apples, but I don't like pears.
Okay. Wait. Wait.
Fluttershy?
Fluttershy?
Sis, you sound a little sick.
Yeah, I'm a bit sick. Excuse me?
Oh, sorry, Rainbow. Okay. Wait, can we go? Can we go in a yacht? And where's our desks?
They broke. And I just wanted to let the new kids, say their names, even though a couple of them, know each other. Like, how you guys have a sister. And
Fluttershy, Mrs. Cake, Twinkle Shine, Majestic Cucumber. There we go. And the Splash Stars. Ugh. There we go. Get behind me. No, I don't. No, you can't be there.
How did you know my name?
Because you announced it to everyone.
I never did that, but okay.
Yes, you did. Okay, can you stop stepping on my tail?
Okay then, so class. Oh, gym time.
No, let's go on a yacht.
Okay.
Oh my god, why? How did you even get...
Hop aboard, kids. We're going on a yacht.
You just ran over half the class.
Well, too bad. We're going on a yacht. I don't know how to drive, so I'm just going to shove myself in the trunk.
Oh my gosh. I will drive, guys. No fear. Madison's here.
That's really catchy.
No, actually, no. I don't want to drive.
Who's driving?
Me, darling. Wait, no. You can drive.
I'll drive.
The only brave one. I want to look on the shore.
You want to look on the shore?
Wait, Pinky. Fine. You can have that spot. Whatever it's this.
I'm going up here.
Okay.
Half the class is going to have to try to fit in here with me, but you're probably not going to fit. Hi, Mrs. Geek.
Ah!
I just fell off.
I'm just gonna pause the video. Okay, let's go.
We're scared, so we're not going to go.
Okay, let's go.
I'm the majestic cucumber.
You wanna know what? Actually, no.
Majestic cucumber.
Where does this water come from? What is water? Oh my gosh, so much pony just left.
I think they're scared.
Oh, Pinky, no! Oh no, she has to be Johnny. Pinky, no! Drive to her! Oh my god, no! Oh my gosh, I'm driving, don't worry. Help. How?
Wait, and Rarity's in the bottom with
Rarity!
the teacher.
Oh my gosh.
They're probably wet.
Guys!
Nobody seems wet.
I don't know how to swim. Pinky, help save me. Oh my gosh, my hair's ruined. Quickly, open the bottom, guys. Get out of the boat. It's sinking.
The boat's sinking.
Guys, hop in the bottom boat. Oh my gosh, it's filled with water. Oh my. I think we sank. We're gonna die. Oh. Guys, I think we went all the way to Narnia. Dang it, my hair's wet.
We're all wet.
Yeah, but my hair's the most important thing. Ah! Ow!
I should squeeze my hair off in the water. It's a treehouse. I want to climb up on here.
Oh my gosh, I look ugly. I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna go rest in here. Wait, how full is it? Oh my gosh, the boat is full of water now. We drowned it. Welp.
My Little Pony logic.